Good morning, everyone. This is Matt Croissant, your internet manager and dedicated content creator over here at Kia of Columbia here in Missouri. Getting you some information on the 2023 Kia K5 GT line all-wheel drive in Wolf Gray. Looking extra tough on this rainy day that we're having here, and because it's dark enough outside still, we can have the automatic headlights on, showing off these awesome headlights. So we've got the Heartbeat LED daytime running lights with your full LED headlighting and LED fog lights down below here. GT line sports a set of 18-inch two-tone 5-spoke alloy wheels on some all-season mud and snow rated 235 by 45 tires. So get some great traction out of this vehicle. We've got black mirrors and black trim on the B and C pillars of the vehicle. Nice chrome band wrapping around the top of the window trim and around the rear of the vehicle. We have turn indicators on our mirrors as well as blind spot monitors. Real quick, we're going to go ahead and give you a peek at the window sticker here. Feel free to pause at any moment. Sorry for the raindrops here, but we'll work through it together. MSRP on this type of vehicle is $29,885, and we do include a set of all-weather mats in the all-weather cargo tray for an extra $400. But again, we do sell these vehicles at MSRP here. Don't forget, wrapping around to the rear here, you can see we've got some sharp LED tail lights with a little bit of halogen mixed in there, but super cool looking here. We've got the new K5 badging as well as the GT line on here. Nice black bumper with the rear diffuser on here. It's a tough looking vehicle. Nice black lip here on the trunk. We've got a backup camera back here, a heated back glass. This has a smart trunk feature, which we're going to show you. We have keyless entry on our front two doors here for locking and unlocking. See some nice side markers here on the vehicle too. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and hop on in, dry off a little bit, maybe turn the heated seats on. It's actually a nice and cool day. You never know what you get in Missouri. There's your blind spot monitors. Those will also provide you with rear cross traffic alerting. On the door, we have power locks, windows, and mirrors. Front two windows will be automatic. We've got a window lock here. Nice storage in the doors with some bottle holders. Nice large door handles too. So you never actually have to touch your paint. You just get the leverage right here, swing it closed. That's right. It's that easy. Cloth leather combo on the interior. We've got a power driver seat. GT line embossment on the front two seats here. This seat is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-way adjustable with that power lumbar. Hopping on in, I'm going to go ahead and get my heated seat on just a little bit. We're also going to turn the climate control on to prevent it from getting foggy in here. We're going to put that on low airflow. All right, so on the left-hand side of the dash, we'll have dash illumination controls, your lane keep assistance, traction control, and the trunk release here. Steering wheel is going to be right here for you. Because this is a GT line all-wheel drive, you're going to have a heated steering wheel as well. That's right. Let me scoot the seat back just a tad here, get a little bit of better view for you guys. On the left-hand side of this nice D-shaped steering wheel, which gives you extra leverage, but also more leg room. Nice. You're going to have your entertainment and convenience features for voice recognition, cycling through your audio sources, volume control. We can see this is treaded here, so we know this is pressable. Tracks and presets, and Bluetooth. On the right-hand side of the wheel, let me get this straight, and there we go, it's bothering me. We have driving and information tools. So this page button with this pressable lever as well will control your drive display. And on the drive display at first glance, we can see our transmission selection, fuel range, fuel economy, or sorry, not fuel economy, lane keep assistance, ambient temperature, and the odometer. But yes, on this screen we can see our fuel economy instantly and an average. Accumulation, which is the entire lifespan of the vehicle, which maxes out at 10,000 miles. Drive info, which is from when the vehicle was last started. And your different drive modes. So right now the vehicle is in normal. to change the drive mode, it's going to be on this spring-loaded dial here, which we have access to Smart, Normal, Sport, Custom, and a dedicated Snow mode since this vehicle is all-wheel drive. Smart mode is going to change between normal and sport for you automatically and also activate the hidden eco mode in the vehicle here. So this is what this screen is primarily for. We can see it's now in smart eco, and that's going to be based off of your pedal usage there. So depending on how you're driving the K5, it will automatically change the drive mode for you, which is going to change the shift points in the transmission, the valve timing for the engine to produce more power or reduce power to save fuel. It's also going to change your steering feel as well as how the all-wheel drive system operates, which is going to lead us to the custom mode. The custom mode, you can go into your settings here, vehicle, drive mode, custom, and you can change the powertrain as well as the steering feel right here mostly. So we can put that in sport or steering. This is a little bit reduced. I assumed the all-wheel drive portion because I drive a Kia Stinger, so slightly reduced customization for the system, but still I'm sure that's going to be a part of it since that is a part of your powertrain here. And of course, different color coordinations here with each mode. Snow mode will reduce the torque output to each wheels and also most likely engage that all-wheel drive system a little more aggressively for you too. We'll go ahead and put her back in smart mode for now. Next screen, we can see navigation information with this 10.25-inch screen here. This will show you your current cardinal direction, but once you are navigating, it will show you turn-by-turn information, and then a checkered flag will pop up next to your fuel range up there, showing you your distance from your destination. We've also got safety and convenience features, so this screen will show you when the lines on the road are registered. Then you also have your driver attention system paying attention to how you're driving, making sure you're safe at all times. And if the system feels that your attention is low based on your acceleration, braking, following distance, triggering of safety systems, and that frequency, it will beep at you a whole lot and say, hey, it's time to pull over. It's time to take a break, stretch your legs a little bit. And on the information screen, we have a digital speedo, onboard tire pressure information, and an all-wheel drive screen as well. This is also going to show you the steering angle of the front wheels, as you can see here. Sorry, we're having some focusing issues. There's no water on the lens here. Just being a little crazy right now. Sorry about that. But so this will show you power output to each wheel, which may, build your confidence a little bit in how the system is operating, or if you just kind of like to know, it's pretty cool. Other than that, on the right-hand side, we have our cruise control on the right-hand column here. Just get up to your set speed and activate, and then you can accelerate, decelerate, pause, and resume. This button right here is for lane follow assistance, which pops right next to the lane keep assistance. Lane keep assistance will keep you from going outside of the lane. Lane follow will keep you centered in the lane with some steering assistance, just like the lane keep. But it's different. So that's going to be it for the steering wheel here. If we do need to adjust the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, there's going to be this lever here where we can tilt and telescope, get that exactly where you need it to be. Left-hand wand will control your blinkers, brights, and headlights. They are automatic headlights, and you have automatic high beams as well when you're traveling at night down the highway. It will use this camera that's in here, which is also how your lane keep assistance works, to turn the beams on and off at night. Oh gosh, please just focus for me. Focus, baby. You got some problems today. No worries though. Right-hand wand will control your front and rear wipers. There are no rear wipers. Your front wipers and their respective sprayers. Sorry, I'm in and out of too many vehicles. Jumbling the information together. Visors up above will be mirrored, lit, and have a nice little ticket holder here for you. You can also swing this out. This will telescope all the way for all of your shading needs. We've got some interior lighting here. We can turn everything on with the press of a button. We have individual lighting, the door light for when we open the doors. Those will illuminate and dim. Then we have our Kia Connect controls here, formerly known as UVO Link. You can go to your app or Play Store, download Kia Access, and you can actually remote start this K5 from your phone. Set the temperature before you get in, set your heating items, make sure the doors are locked or unlocked, check the location, all kinds of cool features, and you get that for a whole year for free from Kia. Standard rear view mirror here. Here is the phone having some focusing issues today. Hopefully we get that taken care of. Down here is your entertainment system. Here's the home screen, which is showing you, your time, date, media information, a map, and weather info, as well as location. Swiping over will give you access to your applications for your map, navigation, phone. Phone projection is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which does require a hardwire connection to that center USB port there. That's going to be standard for all the 10.25-inch screens across the Kia platform. You've also got your digital climate that you can bring up on screen. Valet mode, which you can activate, which will let you know if your K5 has been driven more than a mile from the set location where you activated that feature. You have traffic, weather, and travel information, your radio, media, Kia Connect services, your settings, notifications, and a digital user's manual too. We have touch-sensitive buttons to the left and right of what I've mentioned overall. You also have a favorite button where you can skip to your preferred application quickly. Nice little push-to-start button there. We've got some vents and our hazard lights. Down here is our dual climate tri-auto blower system. So right now I have it set to 72 degrees on low airflow because I do not want a bunch of air blowing on me while I am slightly damp from the weather outside. But if you want more or less airflow, you can do that, and I recommend you let the K5 handle all this for you because this is also going to do defogging, dehumidifying, circulation, everything. It's a really smart system. Down below in the storage area, we have a 12-volt outlet and 2 USB ports. A couple cup holders here. Let's go ahead and show off the key. Most of the buttons are on the side. We have remote start on the face. Let's check out that backup camera. So here is your backup cam. We've got clear view of the bumper. Left and right hand lines of this box represent the sides of your K5, and we have projected pathing. The blue box appears to let you know where your K5 is at in real time. And as long as nothing is coming in between those two side lines while using the horizontal lines for distance judgment, you should not impact with anything. But if you're getting close, check your mirrors. You need to readjust. You can see when you do have an application open, you can have 2 applications open at once here. If you need to change your view as well, you can. You can look straight down. Use this center line as well if you really need to nudge up to something, say, your tight parking situation in the garage or so on and so forth. We've got an electric parking brake here. We also have our auto hold feature. Auto hold is going to pop up in the bottom right, and once we put the vehicle in drive here, we can see that text turns green. Anything that turns green on the screen means it's engaged and active. So now with auto hold active here, I can actually take my foot off the brake and relax at a full stop anytime. So it's just going to hold the K5 in place until I put my foot on the gas, where it will release everything and you're on the go. And then as far as other climate controls, again, we've got our 3-step heated seats up front, heated steering wheel, drive modes, nice little wireless charging pad where you just slide your phone in there. Center console, a little bit of storage area there. And then our glove box too. That's going to be it for the front seating area, guys. Real quick, we are going to go into the vehicle settings, and I'm going to make sure the smart trunk is activated. I'd like to show you a demonstration of that. Hiya. Okay, perfect. And you know what? Why don't we just go ahead and turn on the welcome sound as well, huh? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Where are you? Cluster. There we are. Perfect. Okay, cool. Check it out. Oh, no welcome sound. Fine. Fine. All right, let's see if the smart trunk at least activated here. Maybe that one only plays when we get in, but we're supposed to play a little jingle for you. All right, so real quick, we'll check out the back seats, then we'll do our smart trunk demo. Seating for 3 back here, same cloth leather combo. We've got a bottle holder in the door here. cargo bags with hardback seating with some leg indentions. We have 2 more USB ports back here for more charging capability. We have our latch system for child seating. Nice large armrest with some bottle holders here. And raised roofing where the heads are going to be, with some adjustable headrests on the back here too to get that comfort dialed in. Lighting hooks and handles are above. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and lock the vehicle. Bam. We're gonna walk away from the K5 for a second. Should be far enough. Keys are in my pocket. We're gonna go ahead and check this out. We're just gonna stand near the trunk. 4 beeps, 4 flashes. Trunk will automatically open up if your hands are full or if you need this. Obviously that takes long enough where if you're walking by it in the garage or something at a normal pace, you shouldn't trigger that feature either. Here is the cargo mat that I mentioned that we provide with every vehicle. Lifting this up. There's the all-weather mats as well. That's fitting snugly in here right now. Underneath, you do have your spare tire and roadside tools. If you need to fold down the rear seats, those do fold down in a 40-60 split. Just pull either tab on the respective side and use your elongated item to push the seat down for you for a one-man operation. Nice little transfer plate right here too for moving cargo in and out. And then once you're done, I recommend you just kind of pull right here so you don't have to touch your paint again. Paint care. Boom, she's closed. Last thing we'll do real quick is check out some passenger seat adjustability. We've got a 6-way manually adjustable passenger seat over here. All right, and by that I mean you have angle control. Then this is pump action where you can raise and lower the seat. And you've got the bar for fore and aft adjustment. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up, y'all. Thanks again for your time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and share this video with your friends and family. Leave a comment if you have any compliments, questions, or corrections about any of the information provided to you today. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you can stay up to date with all of the vehicles we're uploading to this channel for your informational and shopping needs. This particular K5 is already spoken for. However, if you look down below in the description, there's a link provided for you to see all of our incoming inventory so that way you can get your own brand new Kia reserved at MSRP. Plus the $400 for the all-weather mats and all-weather cargo tray. Thanks again, guys. This is Matt Croissant over here at Kia of Columbia. We hope you're having a wonderful day.